So what you want to do first, guys, is we already removed the steering stabilizer. So if you haven't removed the steering stabilizer, that'll be the first step. Also, we didn't lift it up on a jack or stands because we wanted to have it the ride height, the stock normal ride height when you're driving. So that's why we left it on ground level, and then we just adjusted it on the fly with the vehicle being on the ground. So when you get in alignment, everything will be all flush.
Huh. This one's gonna be a pain in the ass.
So we're gonna be putting these in, hopefully. You like I did the other video when you're smacking with the hammer? That was pretty good, huh? So here you can see Cash K5. He's unscrewing the bolt on the passenger side. So we're just going to remove the bolts on the passenger side, and the driver's side, I believe they were 22 millimeters. So just get a 22 millimeter and you should be able to remove them.
Yeah.
Probably now. Not budging.
No.
It is on there. There you go. See it moving now.
Back and forth.
Here we go.
There it goes. Let's go.
Hulk. Turn on the Hulk mode on that thing.
Dude, had to.
Another one.
There you go.
Drop. Yeah, the thing is caked.
Yep.
That's an oil leak.
It's a whole lot of nastiness.
So here's the brand new oil.
Oh yeah, put on this cardboard right here. That cardboard.
Yeah.
Give him my Mexican creeper all dirty. My carpet. There it is.
Bushings look shot on that.
Yeah, they're pretty much done.
Yeah, because that was
Too long on one side, it's gonna kick your axle out weird.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, that's why they have them.
JP. JP.
So when you're adjusting the new Panhard bar, you want it to be as close as possible to the original.
Yeah, just push
size.
the body of the truck.
Might be a little bit larger since it's adjustable, but you want to get it as close as possible. That way it's easier to
What?
align.
Do it again. What?
Some more?
Okay, that's cool. Okay. No, it just shifted over.
So right here, Cash was trying to align the adjustable Panhard bars so he could slide it in, and then we could just try to eyeball the alignment. That's what we're trying to do right here.
It's just. And then from the old one being warm. There it goes.
There you go. Back in.
Sometimes it helps, like, once you kind of turn it, the thread will catch, and it'll pull the rest of the way through. See how that went in?
Yeah.
So. Okay. So. Everything looks good there. Now what we need to do is, we need to look at where the axle's at. So, where the... And then like that same thing happened to some people like a few months later.
right here you can see Cash adjusting that silver aluminum looking piece in the middle. He's like pushing it more to the right hand side, to the driver's side. So that's how you adjust the Panhard bar.
Yeah.
Would try to align it as best you can. But as always, it's best to take it to the alignment shop, which I will do, which you'll see in the next video that's coming up. I'll put a link in the description for that when I do it. But yeah, here we're just trying to align it as best we can. It seems like it. So you do it again? It seems like it's pretty much even almost.
Really?
Yeah, it seems like it. I don't know. Okay, that way.
Did you hear the spring pop?
Yeah, I think. Yeah. I think it's good. Yeah, it's definitely more on the driver's side, I think.
I'm gonna lock it down.
Yeah, I think it's definitely. This looks like it's more flush now.
More flush? Give it a little bit more?
Maybe a little bit more. I think still a little bit more on the passenger by a little bit. Yeah, I think the tire's still sticking out a little bit more on the passenger.
Oh, no, no.
Oh, damn, it's all the way up.
Yeah, that's like, I think you're really gonna need an alignment, dude.
So we tinkered with the spacing a little bit more and try to get as much even as we could. But yeah, that's pretty much it for that.
That's straight?
Yeah, I mean, is that straight? Steering wheel straight or the wheels are straight?
Or the wheels straight.
I think it's going to the left a little bit. It's going to the left. That's it.
Oh, yeah.
Steering stabilizer. So after we finished adjusting, we reinstalled the steering stabilizer. So we took the spare tire out. Now we're gonna try to do the rear. There you go, that's the first one. One bolt over there, one bolt over there. I believe the two bolts in the back were either 23 or 24 millimeter. And after you remove that, time to put on the new rear Panhard bar. Oh, here we go. Out.
What is that?
This one don't look that bad. This one is not as bad as the front one was. The bushings are like, I think they're just hard.
Yeah, you have a little crack in them, but
Right there.
I
Front
would.
ones are ripped. Front ones are ripped. These ones aren't.
Yeah, I would.
So yeah, it's a lot easier if you have two people to do this. You can do it as one person, but it's a lot easier if there's two people. See, like right here I had to hold the wrench on the other side so you can tighten the nut. And then we just did the same like in the front, tried to line as best as we could. And then that was it. Call it a day. So hopefully you learned something from this video. Check out the next video because we're going to get enlightenment. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Alright, the AZcruiser out.